All right, so this is how you plot points on a grid. So a lot of the time you're going to see something that looks like this. You're going to see something that's like 2, 3. And all that means is that the x value is 2 and the y value is 3. Okay, it's always xy. Always, always, always. So all we do is we look on our x line, which is the horizontal line, and we count out to 2. And then what we do is we look at our y axes, which is our vertical axes, and we count up to 3. So we're going to count 1, 2, and then we're going to count up 1, 2, 3. So right there is where our point 2, 3 is. And that's how it always works. So let's try another one. -1, -2. So we just look and we say, okay, the x is -1, and then we count down 1, 2 to -2. So -1, -2 is right there. Now, what if they give you a point and they say find point A? Okay, so point A. So what we do is we do the same thing as when we already had the numbers. We just count from the 0, which is right here. We count, let's see, 1, 2, okay, it's at -3. So x is -3. And then we're going to count up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So y is at 5. So we have -3, 5 is our point A. And let's try another one. Let's try this one here. So if we wanted to find the point B, so point B, I just draw the first bracket and then I look, okay, where is it on the x line, on the x-axis? So 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's at 4 on the x-axis. And it's at, let's see, -1, -2, -3, -4 on the y-axis. So 4, -4 would be our point. So all we have to do is write where it is in regards to the x-axis first, and then we write where it is on the y-axis next. Okay? Now let's try plotting another point. So if we have -5, -7. So all we do is we go to the 0, we count to -5 on the x-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it's right there. -5 on the x-axis, and then -7 on the y-axis. So -7 is down here. Now what you can do is just kind of match up these two dots. But like what I was doing before was a lot easier. You just count the x's, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -5, and then you count down to -7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, -7. So there's our point, -5, -7. Now there's a bunch of different ways to do this, but that's what I've always found is the easiest, is to count the x's first, write them down, or if they're already written down, count the x's and then count the y's. So count the x's and then count the y's and then plot your point.